Welcome back, JDM fam. Quick update on the lifted RD7 2nd Gen CRV. As you guys probably already know, the mud tires need to be replaced. And I just got some brand new all-terrain tires I will be uploading in a future video, so look out for that. Check out the treads on these things. They look great, so I'm super excited to have these installed. I will be installing these today, so in a future video very soon we're going to see these on the CRV. They should make the ride quieter as well as help with mileage. The miles per gallon should hopefully go up a little bit, as well as look aggressive, because those other tires, they're mud tires, they're awesome, but they're starting to look bad, and hopefully these will last longer as well, because I read that mud tires have the softest rubber. These will be a little better, and then obviously all season tires will probably be even better for wear and tear. But can't wait, guys. We're going to install these, and I am really excited to show you guys what they look like on the CRV. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.